Hello and welcome to the 2-minute series. The topic for today is debentures. This is a very important topic. It is commonly used term. Questions have been asked on this in the past. Now, a debenture is basically a type of a debt instrument. It is from this word debt instrument that this name is also that has been derived. So it is a type of a debt instrument that is not secured by physical assets or for that matter any type of collateral. Now here you should know that whenever debt is what is sought by a particular by a debtor, or for that matter that debt is what is sought from a bank. Now what happens is that whenever bank is going to give this debt, in that scenario the bank is always going to seek for some collateral or some security as a physical asset. But when this security is that or a collateral is what is not available, then debt is something that is sought from the market, and this is done with the help of an instrument which is known as the debt instrument, that is debenture. Now these are backed only by the general credit worthiness and reputation of the issuer, and both corporations as well as the government frequently issue this type of bond to secure capital. So it is something that is issued both by corporations as well as by government, and it is basically dependent on the credit worthiness and the reputation. Now the debentures that government issues to seek debt is, first and foremost, there are two types. One is bond and the second is bill. Now here one very important difference is that bill is for short-term loans. This is a question that has been asked in the past also. This is for short-term loans, that is for loans that are less than 1 year, whereas bonds are for loans that are for more than 1 year. So this is the kind of debenture that government is seeking. And also there are types of debentures for the corporations. Now what happens is that these type of debentures are basically of two types. One is the convertible type and the second is the non-convertible type. In the convertible type, what happens is that in return for this debt that has been taken by the corporation, this debt is something that can be converted into shares depending on the willingness of the lender. So that is the convertible type, and the non-convertible is one where the debt is what has to be returned in the form of debt only, and it cannot be converted into shares later. So these are the two types of debentures that corporations largely seek. Another difference that you should know between debentures and shares is that in shares the lender is what is getting some profit. If there is a profit on the share, he is going to get that money. But in debentures, compulsory money is what is given to the lender, that is interest rate is what is given. So that is one major difference between debentures and shares. And that's all for today. I thank you all for watching this video.